If you are getting an error while creating an Instagram account, here's how to fix it. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Instagram from processing your request. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Do not use VPN. Instagram may block account creation if it detects suspicious activity from a VPN or proxy. Try disabling it and creating your account again. Or you can try VPN once if it's legal in your region for experiment purposes. If you see an error saying try again later, Instagram may have temporarily blocked your device due to multiple failed attempts. Wait for a few hours before trying again. Try creating your account from a different device or browser. If the Instagram app isn't working, open a browser and visit www.instagram.com to sign up. Make sure you are using a valid email or phone number. If you have used the same email or phone number before, Instagram may not allow you to create another account. Try using a different one. Check if Instagram's servers are down by visiting Down.to or checking Twitter. If Instagram is experiencing issues, you'll need to wait until they are fixed. That's it. Hopefully, you'll be able to create your account without any errors. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.